Welcome back to Edulexis. Today is day 32, and we are diving into the Python Standard Library. Think of this as a massive toolbox that comes pre-installed with Python. You don't need to download anything extra. We will focus on three heavy hitters: math, random, and datetime. These modules are the backbone of most professional automation scripts. Let's start by typing import math. The first thing we look at is precision. In engineering or data science, using 3.1 for isn't enough. By using math.py or math.e, you are using system-level constants that ensure your calculations remain accurate even at 1,000,000 decimal places. Next, we have functions like math.sqrt for square roots and math.pow for powers. While you can use the double asterisk operator, the math module is optimized in C, making these operations significantly faster for large-scale data processing. Handling numbers often requires rounding. Math.ceil always rounds up to the nearest integer, while math.floor rounds down. This is critical in billing systems, where you might always need to round a transaction up to the nearest cent. For those working in data science, math.log and math.sine cosine are essential. We'll briefly look at how math.radians converts degrees, as Python's trig functions expect radians. This is a common pitfall for beginners. Now, let's get unpredictable. Typing import random. This module allows you to introduce variety into your programs. We'll start with random.random, which gives a float between 0 and 1. Simple, but the foundation for everything else. The most used function is random.randint a, b. Unlike range, this includes both endpoints. If you're building a game or a digital dice, this is your go-to command. Let's write a quick script that rolls two 6-sided dice. What if you have a list? Random.choice, list, picks one item, while random.shuffle, list, reorders the entire list in place. This is perfect for building a music shuffler or a randomized quiz app. Important note, these are a pseudo-random. If you use random.seed, 10, your random numbers will be the same every time you run the code. This is vital for debugging scripts that rely on random data so you can replicate your results. Time management is next. Typed from datetime, import datetime. By calling datetime.now, we get a precise object containing the year, month, day, and even microsecond. This is how we timestamp our logs and user actions. You can also create dates. If you need to set a deadline for a project, you've got datetime, year, month, day. We'll look at how to compare two date objects to see which one comes first. A logic used in every booking system. Nobody likes reading raw datetime objects. Using .strftime, we can format dates into strings. For example, %y, %m, %d gives us a clean the 9th of May, 2026. Format. Mastering these formatting codes is a key skill for any backend developer. What if you get a date as a string from a user? .strptime does the reverse. It parses a string and turns it back into a Python object. This allows you to take text from a web form and calculate the user's age instantly. The real power comes with time delta. If you want to know what the date will be exactly 45 days from now, you simply add a time delta, days equals 45, to your current date. This makes subscription logic and expiry dates incredibly easy to code. Today we've mastered the tools of precision, chance, and time. Your challenge: create a script that picks a random future date within the next year and prints it in a month, day, year format. Tomorrow, we start making our code unbreakable with error handling. Generated for Edulexis.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.